This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow elderberry from cuttings. Growing elderberries from cuttings is a rewarding and cost-effective way to expand your garden. We will cover everything from selecting the right stems to caring for your new plants. First, you will need to select healthy, dormant stems, ideally from the previous year's growth. Look for stems that are about 6 to 10 inches in length, ensuring each piece has at least 2 or 3 nodes for successful rooting. Once you have your selected stems, it is time to prepare them for planting. Make a clean, angled cut just below a node at the bottom of each cutting. This angled cut increases the surface area for root development. Next, carefully remove all leaves from the lower 2/3 of the cutting to prevent moisture loss and focus energy on root growth. For optimal success, dip the cut end into a rooting hormone powder or gel before planting. Now, let us get these cuttings planted. Choose a well-draining potting mix, ideally one formulated for seed starting or propagation, and fill small pots or a propagation tray. Create a small hole in the soil for each cutting. Insert the prepared cuttings 2 to 3 inches deep into the potting mix, ensuring at least one node is buried. If using a tray, space your cuttings about 3 to 4 inches apart to allow for adequate air circulation and growth. Proper care is crucial for your elderberry cuttings to root successfully. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to rot. Place your pots or trays in a location that receives indirect sunlight and maintains warm temperatures, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 6 to 8 weeks, you should see new root growth. Once well-rooted, your young elderberry plants are ready to be transplanted into larger pots or directly into your garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.